Hi everyone, it's great to see so many new people subscribing to the channel. I welcome you all and thank you all for subscribing, it means a lot. So I'm doing this video today just to give you an overview of why I haven't really done many videos lately, and the upcoming plans basically. So the reason for not doing many videos is I've been snowed under with quite a lot of client work. I've been working on the hosting services, adding new stuff in, changing some stuff around. I've also been laying out a plan for the design website, which will hopefully be going live within the next month or two. This is all depending on how much work we get in. I've also been writing down some ideas for new videos, which will be starting in the next week or so. I'll then be releasing one video at least once a fortnight. The plan is I'll probably do more than that. It all depends on timing and everything like that. Some of the video plans I've come up with are going to be development based, along the lines of creating a portfolio website for web development, creating a landing page for a few different businesses really, starting a WordPress theme, which is going to be from scratch. We're not going to be using a page builder, any plugins or anything like that. It's basically going to be PHP, HTML, CSS, which will be compiled from Sass, JavaScript, and just some basic plugins that I use for client websites. It's not going to be anything major to start with, but we can expand on that by all means. It's not a hard thing for us to do. Alongside that, there's also going to be some videos which will be about the hosting platform, how to use it, how to make the most of it, what things it can do, what things it can't do. Quite a few different things really. So that's basically the plan with regards to the videos. I'm also going to be releasing a template download section on the design website when that's done. There's no update on that because it's going to be part of the new website. So what I'll do is when it's ready, I'll drop a video a bit like this one just to give you all a heads up. If you guys have any ideas or any videos that you'd like me to make, just drop me a comment below and we'll look into them. Don't forget guys, hit the like button. Also remember to subscribe. Thanks for listening in guys. Have a good time.